And today it's more than just quick kitchen. But it's still delicious. Today we're making, drumroll please, a macaroni omelette. Get excited.
Welcome to Cooking Lessons. From now on, I'll show you the best tips and tricks for your kitchen. So let's cook something nice together and turn you into a pro.
They are leftovers. Thank goodness! Can we make an omelette? From 3 eggs, 100 grams of grated cheese, 2 nice slices of real cooked ham, salt and pepper, and a little oil for frying. That's it. What do we need to do? We need to beat the eggs and dice the ham. Thank goodness the cheese is already grated. Let's get to the bacon, eh? Or in this case, the ham. I always like to lay it out like this, a little stacked on top of each other so I don't have to handle it too much. And the slices, and I don't cut these little cubes too finely either. Just cut it down like that. That's more than enough. After all, we're talking about a quick kitchen way to use up leftovers. So, let's crack the eggs. Now it's getting really dramatic. Boom! That's the one-handed technique. Boom! Quick and easy. Anyone who wants, add milk, then it will be a bit fluffier. However, I also want to make an omelette today. That's why I prefer to leave it as it is. But it's always a good idea to season the beaten eggs a bit right away. Because our pasta was only cooked in salted water. We need to add a bit of power to that. Let's stir it one more time. And then we're already heading towards frying. As I said and as promised, quick and easy. So let's add a bit of oil to our pan and let it heat up. And now we're going to add our cooked ham to the pan. Because I always think it's nice when it gets a little browned. But not too much color, just enough to get a little heat. So once it has gotten a little heat, I'm going to add box pasta. Let's add our macaroni, the short ones here. And we're going to fry them a bit too. I think it's nice when they get just a little bit of roasting, but that's something everyone has to decide for themselves. And they have gotten just a tiny, tiny bit of color. If they get too brown, they'll become hard. We don't want that either. Now we're going to quickly sprinkle our cheese on top. So, let's toss it around. It doesn't need to get really hot right now because we're going to add our egg to it shortly. Got it. Toss everything around a bit. Wow. Here, it's starting to set. That's how it should be. And now we're pushing what's still sticking a bit, and the omelette itself up here into the top side of our pan, so that we get a typical omelette shape. Can we also straighten it out a bit? Here, turn off the heat. Let it set a bit, and then it will be flipped. Let's take our pan and the plate. Goes right on top, just like that. And take a look. Now that's what I call an omelette. And I still have, always in my house, a bit of homemade tomato sauce for various occasions. That one will be added too. And then I always like to quote my old mentor, "Every ox is happy about something green." Have you ever had such a delicious noodle omelette? If you ask me, it's been decades. And that was a big mistake. Leftover processing, it couldn't be better, and super quick after work cooking. If you like it, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. And I wish you lots of fun frying it up again. And how a farmer's breakfast works? Here. Next video, just click on it and get yourself in the mood to eat. Bye, dear ones.
Be sure to check out this next video. It's packed with even more tips and tricks that will help you become a master chef in no time. And don't forget to subscribe to Cooking Lessons for more delicious content every week. It's easier than you think.